Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you an informative video about the crucial process of manufacturing the axle of a stone crusher plant. The axle is a vital component that ensures the machine's stability and mobility. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire manufacturing process step by step, share important maintenance tips, and highlight key safety protocols. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to machinery maintenance, this guide will provide valuable insights to help keep your crusher running smoothly and efficiently. The axle of a stone crusher plant is a crucial component that ensures the machine's mobility and stability. Made from high-strength steel, the axle must withstand heavy loads and continuous operation, bearing the weight of both the crusher and the stones being processed. This makes the axle a vital part of the plant's functionality, contributing significantly to its overall performance and efficiency. Axles in stone crushers come in two main types: drive axles and non-drive axles. Drive axles are responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels or tracks, enabling the crusher to move. Non-drive axles, on the other hand, provide necessary support and stability without transferring power. The choice between these types depends on the specific requirements of the crusher plant and its operational environment. Design variations also play a role in axle functionality. Solid axles are one-piece units known for their strength and durability, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications. Split axles, consisting of two separate parts, offer the advantage of independent wheel movement, which can be beneficial on uneven or rough terrain, providing better maneuverability and reducing wear on the machinery. When planning to replace an axle, several critical factors must be considered. Compatibility with the existing machinery is essential, ensuring that the new axle matches the dimensions and load capacity of the old one. This includes the length and diameter, which vary depending on the crusher's size and capacity. High-quality axles from reputable manufacturers are preferred to ensure durability and reliable performance under demanding conditions. Proper installation of the new axle is crucial to avoid issues like misalignment, which can lead to premature wear and mechanical failures. Following the manufacturer's guidelines during installation ensures that all components are correctly aligned and secured. This process often involves lifting the crusher using a hydraulic jack, carefully removing the old axle, and fitting the new one with precision. Maintenance is another key aspect of ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the axle. Regular inspections are necessary to check for signs of wear and tear, and lubricating the bearings helps in reducing friction and prolonging the axle's lifespan. Implementing a routine maintenance schedule can prevent unexpected breakdowns and keep the crusher running smoothly. The importance of safety cannot be overstated when replacing an axle in a stone crusher plant. Wearing appropriate safety gear such as gloves, goggles, and helmets is essential to protect against injuries. Ensuring that the crusher is properly secured and powered off during the replacement process minimizes the risk of accidents. Additionally, having a clear plan and communicating effectively with the team enhances safety and efficiency. Choosing the right supplier for replacement axles is also crucial. Renowned brands like SKF, Timken, and Dana Incorporated are known for producing high-quality axles suitable for industrial applications. These axles can be sourced from local industrial suppliers or through online platforms such as Grainger, Alibaba, and Global Industrial, providing a wide range of options to suit specific needs. But Pakistani locals are in the race to make a good quality product, like branded products. In conclusion, the axle of a stone crusher plant is a fundamental component that requires careful consideration during replacement and maintenance. Ensuring compatibility, quality, and proper installation, along with adhering to safety protocols, will enhance the crusher's performance and longevity. Regular maintenance routines will further prevent breakdowns and maintain operational efficiency, ensuring the plant continues to function effectively and reliably. Thank you for watching our detailed guide on manufacturing the axle in a stone crusher plant. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, maintaining and manufacturing key components like the axle is crucial for the longevity and efficiency of your equipment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Stay safe and keep your machinery running smoothly. Until next time, take care.